Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 on PS5. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is fully set up and updated to the latest system software. Next, install Mortal Kombat 1, whether you have a physical disc or a digital download. Finally, connect your DualSense controller and ensure it's charged, so you're ready for uninterrupted gameplay. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's dive into the basic controls. Familiarize yourself with the 4 main attack buttons: front punch, front kick, and back kick. Practice moving your character using both the left analog stick and the D-pad for precise walking and quick dashes. Crucially, learn to block incoming attacks by holding down the R2 button. Mastering these foundational movements and defenses is key to surviving your first few fights. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to unleash some serious power. Special moves are performed by combining specific directional inputs with your attack buttons. Experiment with your character's move list to discover these powerful attacks. When your health drops below 30%, you can activate a devastating fatal blow by pressing L2 and R2 simultaneously, offering a chance for a comeback. Dedicate time to practicing character-specific combos to string together multiple hits and maximize your damage output. For advanced play, delve into the Cameo Fighter system. These are secondary characters you choose to assist you in battle, offering unique attacks and combo extensions. Learning to effectively call in your Cameo can significantly enhance your strategy. Also, practice parrying and countering your opponent's attacks to turn their offense into your advantage. These techniques add depth to your gameplay. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.